Are you searching for free apps to earn money? Getting paid to use your phone is a fast-growing industry that's opening up to new users. And we love an easy-to-use method of earning money. Keep watching this video till the end because we've compiled a list of our favorite free apps today that offer an opportunity to get paid and help you earn real cash. Today is your lucky day because in this video, these apps are really helpful if you're looking to make a few extra bucks on the side. You can even see the reviews of other users who were able to win money just by using the apps I am about to share with you. You don't have to pay anything upfront and it is available anywhere you are in the world. Welcome to Money Anytime, where we share money-making tips and tricks through online means. The methods and ideas that we will share are guaranteed up-to-date and surely doable at home, so you can earn money anytime. So if that's what you're looking for, don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know what next money-generating trick we've got up our sleeves. You can also leave a comment below if you've got questions or other methods that you want to learn about. But for now, let's go back to the video. The first app I'll show you today is called Rumble. It's a great platform where you can earn money by posting videos. Rumble is a video sharing site comparable to YouTube. But unlike YouTube, you do not need to submit an application to get monetized, which means that you have the potential to start earning money on the very same day that you create an account. You shouldn't feel pressured to come up with original video content. They will be re-uploaded when you obtain them from another source. Go on and type in rumble.com in your browser. Just sign up for a free account, fill out the necessary details right here, and you are good to go. You can also have access to your account by using the Rumble app, so you can easily upload videos, get to the top, and earn real cash. You can also vote on the clips that pick your interest and earn daily cash prizes. It's an awesome new way to earn money. Since Rumble has no restrictions, many popular content makers are flocking to it, making it a top app right now. In that case, count yourself among them. Generally speaking, you can post whatever you choose without fear of being removed. Once you sign up, you can see how much each video has made. How much money you make from uploading content is determined by the type of content you upload. You could, for instance, head on over to YouTube and copy the URL for a compilation of funny videos, then head over to this page to get the video file. All you have to do is copy the link and paste it here, and then click the download button. You can now do this with an unlimited number of videos and get paid each time someone views one of them on Rumble. Have you completed the sign-up process on Rumble? How do you find this app so far? Let us know your experience in the comments below. And while you're at it, smash that like button and subscribe to our channel. Let's get on to the next app. The next app we have for you today is called Gamey Prizes. You can play games and earn prizes on the app or on your computer. Get the app and sign up for an account to get started. Input your name and password and you can get started. It's available on the Google Play Store and iOS. After that, the app will reward you with an additional 100 tickets, which are yours to keep at no further cost. What I like about Gamey is that there are virtually limitless ways to earn rewards such as Gamey tickets and real cash prizes that can be deposited into your PayPal account. Playing the games available within this app is a great way to rack up extra cash. After you are done, you will be given tickets to use in the app's giveaways for a chance to win a lot of cash. You need to have at least $10 in your account before you can withdraw it to your PayPal account, of course. If you complete each game without losing, you'll unlock hundreds of tickets, and in addition, you have the opportunity to win cash prizes by participating in the lucky draws that take place every hour. Up to $10,000 is up for grabs. How fun is that? You can get the chance to play games and win prizes. And what's awesome is that their games are somehow not boring, so you get the best of both worlds. Don't miss this one and download the app now to get started. How are you enjoying the Gamey app so far? How much have you earned so far? Don't forget to support us by giving us a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel so you'll see more of our awesome videos. But now, let's move on to our next app. And now for our final app, we have Sweatcoin. I don't know if you've heard about this app before since it has been going on for quite some time. The reviews for this app have been awesome and have helped a lot of users. You can easily download Sweatcoin from the App Store, which works either on iOS or Android. With Sweatcoin, you can get paid to walk. If you want to use the app, all you have to do is sign up and install it on your device. If you've earned enough Sweatcoins, you can put them to use. You can choose how you want to spend your coins by tapping the second button, which is referred to as the marketplace. When you do so, you will be presented with a variety of offers and products that you can purchase with the coins you have earned. In this sale, you may save money on a wide variety of physical goods, including headphones, jewelry, and more. There are additional offers available digitally, such as this one for a free trial right here. I am going to reveal a little-known strategy for earning free cryptocurrency in your spare time so that you can increase the rate at which you accumulate Sweatcoins here on our platform. The bonus I am talking about is Sweat Wallet. Sweat Wallet can be obtained through the App Store and launched once downloaded. Once you have connected the wallet to your Sweatcoin account, you will be ready. Sweat Wallet is an app that lets you convert your step count into cryptocurrency. The best part is that you can make money in both applications simultaneously, with the wallet app paying out even more after you've accumulated 10 coins. So you won't just earn money, but health-wise, it is really promising. There are so many health benefits to walking, and it's great for your mental well-being too. In this day and age, it would be impossible for you not to earn some quick cash since there are literally hundreds or even thousands of apps available that are letting users enjoy their features like games and other activities. And of course, we love some really good paying apps. We guarantee you that this is what you can get from these apps we have for you today. Have you found your new favorite app? Which of these featured applications is best for you? Leave us a comment and share your experience. We value every comment you give, and we believe it is helpful for all the viewers we have with the same goal as you: earning money fast and easy. Thank you very much for supporting us. We've enjoyed making this video for you today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you haven't yet to make sure you don't miss out on any of our future uploads. You can also check out our channel to see more of our excellent content. Good luck and see you in our next video.